Are you starting a business or looking to expand your business with new product offerings? In order to get an image onto a signboard, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson dye sublimation technology. In order to get your printed image onto a signboard, here's what you need. A 24-inch wide Epson F570 dye sublimation printer, a pair of heat gloves, some scissors, heat transfer tape, a blank signboard, a heat press, and some craft paper. Once you have the finished design for your signboard, this is how to send it to the F570 printer. For Windows users, click the print button. Check Choose Paper Source by PDF page size if it is not already checked. Choose Properties. Select the media type setting that matches the paper you loaded. If you want to use paper settings that have been set in the printer's control panel, select Use Printer Settings. Click OK, then click Print to send the file to the printer. For Mac users, click the Print button. Check Choose Paper Source by PDF page size if it is not already checked. Click Printer. Choose Printer Settings. Select the media type setting that matches the paper you loaded. If you want to use paper settings that have been set in the printer's control panel, select Use Printer Settings. Click Print, and click Print again to send the file to the printer. And now we're ready to cut our paper down to size. And now we're ready to tape our signboard onto our print. Before we do that, we're going to peel away the protective plastic. Now that we've removed the plastic, we can set our print in place and use a couple of pieces of heat transfer tape. And now we're ready to press it. Before we place our item onto the heat press, let's first set a sheet of craft paper down. Now we'll take our signboard and we'll flip it over so that the paper is on top. We'll grab another piece of craft paper, and now we're ready to press it. We're pressing at medium firm pressure, 400 degrees, for 60 seconds, and when the timer is done, it will alert us. When the press is done, open it slowly. Since the signboard is very hot, we're going to wear our heat gloves to remove it. We'll first remove our craft paper, and now we'll carefully remove our signboard. So now we just need to remove our heat transfer tape, and we're done.